Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make candles, and I'm not buying any extra wax to do candles. You can buy candle wax in bags, or you can actually do like I do. Just use the candles that's basically left, put it in a bag. I basically burn it to this size. I don't burn it further down because it's just going to flow over of whatever you have it on. So I keep these little bits in a bag, and then when I have enough, I put it in a pot like this. Consider where you're putting your candles. That's said and done, it is really nice to have a scented candle in a bathroom. I have, like for instance, this ritual Haman flavor oils that I love using in my bathroom, so I will make a candle especially with that. And then another good one, if you are maybe ill, to have some eucalyptus oil when you have a little bit fluey. It's always good to have that. And then if you want to give a present to a friend, to have some kind of jasmine or whatever oils you have in your house, but make sure that it works with your candles. And play around with it, have fun with it. Candle making is great fun to do with the kids too. Just watch out for burning. I made a rule a very long time ago just to have white candles in my house, so it's very easy. Obviously, if you're gonna have a yellow candle, brown candle in between, you're never sure of the color that you will get, but if you stick with white, white is what you will get. I have bought this these LEDs from Hornbach, and I think they use it basically for lanterns, but you can also just buy the online LED, the proper ones. I've used the pencil to center my LED and the right size, sellotape to actually hold it into place. These are the different wicks that you can buy. You can also split it up like I've done in this one, but I would suggest that if you do use a very big pot, to have the wider wicks. Something that you don't need to do, I hope you can see it. So for each of my family members, this is actually my cat, we have engraved the names onto the... Here, this is my husband Case's pot, so it's engraved.